Software systems play a crucial role in our daily lives. However, users often encounter software that does not function as expected. This can result in loss of money, time, and even reputation. In some cases, software failures can lead to serious injuries or fatalities. Software testing is essential for assessing software quality. It helps reduce the risk of software failing during operation. Testing involves discovering defects and evaluating software artifacts. A common misconception is that testing only means executing tests. Testing also includes verification and validation processes. Dynamic testing involves executing the software, while static testing does not. Static testing includes reviews and static analysis of the software. Testing requires proper planning, management, and control. Testers utilize tools, but testing remains an intellectual activity. It demands specialized knowledge and analytical skills. Critical thinking and systems thinking are essential for effective testing.